It's Tastepink and this is my first high puff tutorial. It's not perfect, but we're keeping it 100% real, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna apply a heat protectant, and I know you're like, sis, what are you about to start doing? But bear with me, I got something, I'm on to something. So I like to apply a heat protectant along with a carrot oil based moisturizer. And I find that when I am preparing to blow dry my hair, this is the step that works the best for me. And so I'm gonna be using my blow dryer. Yes, I'm gonna use the heat setting, and I'm going to focus entirely on the roots. So the roots are the newest, youngest part of the hair. So I'm not going to apply any heat towards the ends, which is the oldest part of the hair. This is a protective measure that I take. And what this does is kind of like elongate the hair. It gives you more length. And I really like that tip. And of course, I like to go in and apply jojoba oil. This is one of my favorite oils, especially when the cuticle is open after applying heat. This is a really good time to stimulate the scalp and apply the moisture to the hair. Now, I've seen some videos and I know a lot of people start off with twists that have been set with like gel, so they have more definition, but your girl was struggling. It was hot. Full disclosure, this is like my first time and I learned a lot in watching different tutorials, but I'm not gonna shy away from it just because mine is a little bit different and we all don't want the same aesthetic. So again, I'm just working in that jojoba oil, you know, really just trying to keep my hair healthy. The length retention is obvious, sis. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Style Factor Edge Booster in Sweet Peach, and I like to go in and apply this in sections all throughout the hair. So I focus on the roots. Again, we blow dry the roots, so we want to keep that length. We want to have a strong hold near that area. I don't focus any product on the ends because I don't want my hair to begin shrinking. 4C hair is prone to shrinkage. You guys know that's a protective measure. That's what the hair does to bring it closer to the moisture source. So you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to distract from that process, but I want to kind of avoid unnecessary shrinkage with this high puff because I want maximum volume, maximum density, and as much length as possible. Now I'm going in with this soft bristle brush to like distribute the product, and I'm using an elastic band scrunchie. You can actually make these. I'm gonna have a video on it. I'll include it in a styling tutorial, so just sit tight for that. Now I know some people use like a shoelace or a super long like headband, and you know that's something I may implement in the future, but for right now this elastic band scrunchie is everything. It does not snag your hair. I'm telling y'all, I can't wait till y'all see how I did this. Now, of course, when you use a scrunchie like this, it can take away the length or the fullness of your puff. So that is something to consider, but I'm not gonna fret about it. And next, I'm gonna go in with the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the hideout version. Now what this does, it has a little bit of color to it, so it's gonna give the illusion of a fuller hairline. This is for my girls, much like myself, who have fine hair around the perimeter of their head. Now, because I was sweating, sis, these lights were hot. Like, it doesn't always adhere the best way when you're sweating, but I wanted to proceed, you know what I'm saying? You guys have seen what it looks like when I'm not sweating and it lays perfectly. I'll link a video of my laid edges in the description box just so y'all know I'm not lying to y'all. But I set this for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then I went into the puff and started like, you know, fluffing it out. Again, if I did twist out on this section of the puff, it would look perfect. It would be fuller, more definition. But you know what? Not everybody wants the same look. I actually like this, and it made me realize how much my hair has grown. So all of the things that I'm doing and showing you guys here on YouTube, it definitely helps. It's effective. So I'm gonna start working more with my natural hair. Bear with me. Y'all not gonna force me to start doing tutorials like yesterday. This is a process and I'm learning my hair. But I'm really happy with the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm definitely gonna do this style again in the fall to show y'all I got this. We can learn together and we can slay together. My 4C girls, we have a different kind of hair type. You know, my 5G, 4Z, you know, all those sisters out there, I got y'all. And we're gonna learn together and we're gonna embrace the process, because what works on type 4A, 4B does not work entirely on type 4C, 4Z, 5G hair. And that's your girl Tastepink. I'm signing out, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share with your homeboys, your homegirls, and I hope I see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and don't forget to kiki in the comment section. What do you think about my end result? And if you want a makeup tutorial, you already know what you need to do. Give this video a thumbs up, sis.